Hi there! Welcome to BitMark Labs. In this tutorial, we are going to cover the NuLink node as we mentioned in the previous video with the linear node. Just bear in mind in this video, we are going to use our cloud provider that in my opinion it is one of the best cloud VPS servers out there because they are very cheap and I'm using them actually pretty much for everything because they provide a lot of space, but you can use one of your old laptops, guys. It doesn't need to go through the Contabo because I'm saying that to you, but you have another alternative. You can also Raspberry Pi is another alternative that is pretty much good. But anyway, just have a look what you have, spare and what you want to run. But bear in mind that you should have those online all the time. You don't switch them. Just bear in mind that. That's why I'm using the cloud provider, because I am online all the time and the only thing that I'm doing is just I'm going inside and I check if everything is fine. Let's have a look about Contabo. I mentioned that in the previous video with Linnea. There is somewhere there, should be somewhere there, yeah, in the right. You can choose, you have multiple options, okay? You're going here to VPS, okay? And if you want to run, multiple nodes in different places, you just go for a small one, for VPS 1, okay? If you want multiple nodes, and a huge space actually, I recommend also the VPS 6, or I am between 3 and 4 to be fair. I have the link in the description below, guys. Just choose whatever you want. I recommend any of those. It depends what you want to do. And also bear in mind that is a free SSD extension, yeah? If you're gonna use one of the link in my description below, you have a free SSD extension. Also 50% of private networking. But, as I say, just go for it. Use one of those that is more suitable for you, okay? And as you can see here, you have 1.2 terabyte SSD, guys. And I will show you what I'm talking about. Just go inside and just press here. Look, 1.6 terabyte SSD. Go, guys. It's zero. Is nothing, cost nothing, save 100%, okay? If you're going to any company outside there, you can find these prices, 23 euros per month, okay? For 24 giga RAM and 8 cores. That's insane. For me, go for 12 months, try for 1 month, check how it's working for you. But with this one, you can add multiple nodes, as I mentioned in my previous video, yeah? It's up to you. Just try the small one, try the large one. You have alternatives. But just go now. You can save 100% and you have 1.6 terabyte SSD. If you're going to another one, let's go to the large one, the VPS 6, okay? And this 70, okay, that's pretty much is enough, but is 120 gigabyte RAM, guys. 24 cores. You don't need that, okay? My suggestion is just go between 3 and 4. Just go, if it's first time for you, just go for the first one, check how it's working for you and go for that. If you've seen my video in the linear network, how we did the setup, just skip to the next step, okay? Bear in mind for the guys that they want now to set up the NuLink with Contabo Cloud, you need the Docker, okay? That is to be included. If it's not included, just please make sure that this one, the Docker, will be included because you have to install it after that anyway and set up the process. Okay, that's it for Contabo. Let's go to the part that we want actually to start our node for a NuLink. And trust me, that is a longer process than the linear because it requires more step and is not actually so easy as linear it was in the previous video. So just stay with me and let's go first to set up our Contabo. Let's go back and I will go to my article that I'm writing all the time, guys. You have my article in Medium, you have my article in ReadOn, we have the article in Mirror XYZ. What I'm doing is I'm writing my article and I leave the last part when I'm doing, because I want to copy paste and I'm doing the video. When I record the video, I copy paste the part of the code to add into the article. So to make it, everything live actually, and I will show you exactly what I'm doing. So more or less, NuLink is a solution for privacy and preserving decentralized applications. Okay, that is actually what NuLink as a project is doing, and we have to go further, and I will skip this part. You have to install also the PATI, and we have I will show you exactly now what I'm doing is the steps that we need to do, as long as you have to add the IP address that Contabo sent it to you, and also always you have to enter with your root. Okay, and then you put the password that Contabo gave it to you. Once you are inside your Contabo account, let's go with the first step. We did that also through Linea. The same exactly steps. The first steps we're gonna do this what we did in the Linea video, in the Linea node, and just paste it. We have to upgrade and update our system, our actually Ubuntu. What I will try to do is actually I want to install a Docker. Okay, so I'm going sudo app install docker.io. Okay, pretty much good, and press after yes, so you want to continue and install the Docker. Okay, in this stage I want to clear my screen and just check, guys, if our Docker is we have our Docker by check the version. Okay, we have it. It's pretty much everything is fine. Now the next step, what I'm going to do is, if you have the screen software, because we need to create a screen to have, as I mentioned in the previous video, we want to create a screen and to check every time that we're on off, inside or outside into our node, and to check that our node that is running, we need the screen. So what I'm going to do here is just copy and paste, guys, this line here to download our screen. If you have it, just skip this part. I'm going to clear again my screen. Just copy and paste this one, is the Geth installation, as also the NuLink is a backbone of Ethereum nodes. Okay, so we need that as well. We're trying to do the process of that. Now what we are trying to do is just extract the file. At this moment, to make sure that everything is fine, just type ls and check everything is fine. Okay, we have all our files. I'm going to create a folder for our EVM wallet. Okay, just what I will try to do here, and just pay attention, a NuLink node is not the same process what we did with Linea, because it requires more steps to do. Okay, just open a notepad as well, because we need to copy paste some stuff. Copy and paste here this line of code and press enter. At this moment, you want to enter your password. Just bear in mind, just type here your password. Okay, just save it here in your notepad. Just bear in mind, guys, you need at least 8 characters or longer, and don't include special characters. Okay, in my case, I will 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In your case, and 0. Don't do that. don't use this kind of password, guys. Yeah, don't use never this kind of easy password. That is only for our test. Okay, it's a test process for us. Is a test for me to show you how everything is working. Okay, I'm going to paste this one, paste here as well. We created a public address. Okay, that is our key. Just please take your public address key here. Okay, copy that and come back to your notepad, type address, and then just copy your address that give us here that we generated actually. The next step, what I will try to do is just go press CD, okay, and go back to your root. And then what we're gonna do here is we want to pull from the Docker latest of NuLink. Okay, just press enter and that will make the process for you. The next step is pretty simple. Just press the like button. Okay, let's go cd root. I am in the root here, but just in case if you're not in the root, I will type this one just in case if you're not there. And after that, what we want to do is create our directory that we're gonna call that actually NuLink. And let's have a look if we did that. Yes, we did. Is over here. It's actually pretty cool that we are trying to do these tutorials, because what I'm trying to do with nodes, at the same time, I found myself that I can find projects that they are in early stage, and you can be rewarded from that, plus the airdrops, and also invest at the same time. That is pretty cool because, you know, it's actually everything at once. You know, it's nice and cool. That's why just stick with us, guys, because we have a lot of things to show you. Now what I'm going to do is just clear our screen because we type a lot of things. Just copy and paste this link. So we want this folder, and voila. Just please, the next thing is that what we need to do is just to change our permissions, okay, with 777. We did that as well. Just copy this line here, come back into your notepad, okay, over here, and just delete this one. Take your password, okay. If you want, you can type it, but sometimes I'm so lazy, sometimes, not all the times. Just paste it here, and you're gonna do the same thing with, that is for operator, the operator and the password that you created in the step 3, exactly over here. Let's have a look. Exactly over here, guys, okay, once we have the key store. So that can be the same code if you want. If you want to have separate code, it's up to you. But the second one here has to be what you created in step 3. In my case, I will use the same password, guys. So change this one, paste, copy, then paste, and done. We're done with this part. I'm going back to, I want to enter inside to my repository. What I want from here is type ls. I need this code line here, okay? Leave it as it is now, and what I will try to do is take these code lines here, are into my documentation that you can find, guys, in the description below, by the way, and press, you know, paste it. And what you're gonna do here, just come over here, okay? It's pretty much cool stuff, you know. You have everything in front of you. You don't need to do anything, research or stuff like that. Just bear in mind, since you're gonna copy paste this line here, just bear in mind that you need only one space, okay? Don't leave more than one space because you're gonna have an issue after into your node and probably it's not gonna run. So then here, the wallet that we have to change, actually, we want this address here that we created before. Copy, paste, okay? Just do not copy my code here, yeah? I actually, no, it's very clear what I'm saying here. Just copy this one and use your notepad, guys. Here, what I want to do is just, I have to go one step back, okay? So CD, once you copy paste everything into your documentation, press the enter. Now, the first output that you should see into your terminal should be first your address, okay? If you don't have your address returning back, then it's something wrong. We should press the yes, and this one will generate us the seed phrases, okay? So once you write down your seed phrase here, copy them, come over here into your notepad and type seed phrases and press the paste, okay? And then what you're gonna do here is just press yes. And then what you're gonna do here is just paste your seed phrases, okay? Press enter, and then you're gonna have everything in front of you, okay? If you don't have this screen, it means that you did something wrong. Disclaimer for scammers: if you are going to actually use my seed phrases, don't waste actually your time for that. It is only a test for my video. Now, before we're gonna launch our NuLink node, what we have to do is to create our screen. And as we did that actually before that into Linea, we have to type here NuLink. You can actually call it however you want. I just call it NuLink, and every network I call the screen with a specific name, okay? And what we're gonna do here is just press enter. Okay, now here we have to press enter, and we are inside in our screen. As I say, Control A and D, we're outside of our screen. Screen, now screen R, NuLink, and we're going inside our screen again, okay? So Control A and D to go out of our screen. Now that we are inside our screen, we have to do our last steps and run finally our node. So just go for that, copy and paste. And now we have to log into Ursula. Paste this one, and boom, We are inside, guys. That's it. Congratulations. Your node is lands, but it's not ready actually operated 100% because we need to do another one step, final step. They need to find the operator and to reward the workers, okay? Now, guys, just leave it at aside. We're gonna return back so you can check what is going on here. As you can see, it's clear here that it says operator, this address that we created, that we generated here is not bound to a staking provider, okay? Because we need to do another process here. So let me expand this one and let's go first of all and create our wallet actually, yeah? Because okay, we have the address, we have actually the seed phrases that we created, okay? What I will try to do is here is download your MetaMask stuff, reject all. Now what we have to do here is import an existing wallet. I agree. And what I will try to do here is come over here, just take this part here, okay, these phrases, copy them and paste them straight away, okay? There are 24 word phrases, okay? Confirm, then you can do whatever you want here with your code. It says to me that it's weak. I know that it's weak. Okay, I understand. Import wallet and got it. Okay, so pretty much done. So we are here. Okay, and now I will drag over here. Okay, that is the page that I want to. I'm going over here, paste the page, and switch to the network, because what we need here, we need to go back into the network. The NuLink at the moment is using a Binance testnet, okay? And what we're trying to do here is sign in, okay? Got it. Next, connect, done. And the first and most important thing is that we need actually BNB, okay? BNB testnet. What you're gonna do here is go here to the wallet, okay? Press plus. Go first and grab 0.3 T BNB. You're gonna direct into this website, come to your wallet here, okay, copy this one, paste, done. Send your BNB into your wallet. So I sent it 0.3 BNB into my wallet. You can check it here, I guess, if I refresh. Yes, we have it. So now what I'm going to try to do is do this process here. So we need the test NuLink, okay? Don't worry about everything that is a testnet, that is a new wallet. As I said before, guys, don't go and grab my wallet. There's nothing there. It's only for the NuLink testnet, okay? I'm not gonna use that one anyway. I'm running my node already, so that is only for the video. Now, what I will try to do is I'm going here and I will stake my node. I don't have the NuLink here. Probably I have to refresh the page. Yeah, now I have it. What you want to do here is just stake 5, guys, NuLink. Once you approve, what you have to do is then stake them. Okay, done. And we have to refresh again. I guess sometimes, you know, the pages are... After the approval, you should go back and stake them, okay? Maybe it requires to refresh your page again. It should be this, the right amount, actually, the amount. So if you're not gonna see this amount, $1.63, then something is wrong. Let me guess. Let me check here. Have to check back. So that is done. The process is done. Now the bond worker, okay? As you can see here, if you notice that our staker address, the one that we created with the seed phrases that we got, okay, the address is completely different. And let me check here, okay? So the address, the worker that you have, the address is completely different with what we created with the seed phrases, okay? Just bear that in mind. But what I need here is I need this actually address here, and just say to the network, like, look, that is my worker, okay? So I did the first process, that is to stake the tokens. So let me add also my worker. So here we are, guys. Now, if we're going back to our node, just we're gonna leave some time for that. Now we can confirm that our worker is working, you know, as you can see here, okay? That is done, okay? So congratulations if you are in this stage. If you don't, just come, guys, to our Discord channel or Telegram, give me a shout. Probably I can help you. If not, Well, I'm not a god. I'm trying also my best. The best practice, guys, is to mess up with everything, and I'm doing that a lot, to be honest. I'm doing that with servers. I'm doing that with my laptops, with my actual components, whatever I have here at home and office. Just do the process. Just play around, because if you're not gonna do that by yourself, nobody can help you. That's the best practice. And then after, come to us. I will try to help you as much as I can, because we have a lot of things to do anyway. If you're keen on, again, in nodes, and if you're also an investor that you like to participate in new projects and invest in new projects, and also for airdrops, just come to our channel. All the links are in the description below. Our Telegram group, our Discord group, server. You can follow me also to my Twitter account, X, sorry about that, sorry Alan. Just comment, guys, any node that you are keen on. We can do actually the documentation and the video as well. If you like what you saw in this video, please share with your family, friends, and subscribe, guys. Press the notification button, smash the like button. Thank you again. See you in the next video. BitMark out.